Listen carefully and repeat after me. First is आपण एकत्र सुंदर आठवणी तयार करूया. We can translate it like this. Let's create beautiful memories together. Second is मदत मागायला संकोच करू नकोस. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Very good. Third is प्रत्येक गोष्ट काही कारणानेच घडते. Everything happens for a reason. Fourth is कुटुंब म्हणून एकत्र राहूया. Let's stay united as a family. Follow me for more English learning videos.